What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have a case review for the Oneplus 6T. Now this is a replica of the nylon case that the Oneplus 6T officially offers. I did pick this up on eBay for about $379. It took about 3 to 4 weeks to get here. I ain't gonna lie, that took a while, but you know, I'm just gonna do a quick video and let me show you guys what this case is all about. Now the link will be in the description if you want to pick one of these up. Now they even try to copy the, you know, OnePlus official case packaging there, but it's pretty obvious this is a replica. Bam, let's go ahead and take it out. To my knowledge, it looks exactly and feels exactly the same, so I don't know if this is actually a OnePlus 6T just sold and rebranded differently. Now the nylon case definitely feels like nylon, feels good in hand. You can feel it there. You do have the OnePlus 6T branding there, which is good. Your buttons are covered. You do have your opening right there, your cutout for your mute toggle. You have your power button. You have your lanyard. I think this is these holes are for your lanyard, and you do have your speaker and charging port cut out there. On the top you have your mic, and on the back you have your cutout for your camera and LED flash. Let's go ahead and place the phone inside the case. Bam, look at that. Looks very, very good. Feels good. Looks and feels good. By far was worth the wait. You do get very little lip protection there. You can barely see it on the edge there, but I do have a tempered glass screen protector, so that actually helps. And I think the case is just about flush with the tempered glass screen protector, so it won't protect tempered glass, but it will protect your screen for the OnePlus 6T. The button here on the side, the slider, is nice and easily accessible. Buttons feel very nice and tactile, very responsive. Also the volume rocker, very nice and tactile, very responsive as well. Your cutout there perfectly aligned for your mic on top. Your speaker grill and your mic and charging port all on the bottom look good. Let's go see if this cutout's gonna interfere with any charging port there. Let's go ahead and put that in there. Bam, fits and looks good, nothing to worry about there. This is just a quick review on the OnePlus 6T replica nylon case. This is not the official one, looks like the official one. Like I said, picked this up on eBay for $3.79 with free shipping. Did take about 2 to 3 weeks to get, but ultimately feels good. Feels very, very familiar to the original one. So if you don't mind the wait, the link will be in the description. Head on to eBay and pick yourself one of these cases up. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.